Sober Boundaries is designed as a discussion and information sharing platform when it comes to enjoying and having success in sobriety. Welcome to Sober Boundaries. My name is Wade Davis. Would you do me a favor and please hit subscribe along with the bell? That way you'll be notified each time we post a new episode. Thank you. And also, welcome to People, Places, and Things, Part 3. Today we'll discuss places and things, groups 2 and 3 of the main 3 trigger groups. You know, those temptations and stressors that we have to control and conquer if we're going to be successful getting and staying clean and sober. In Part 2, we address the mindset that we need to have when permanently removing people from our lives who are a serious threat to our sobriety. Okay? Removing people requires us to inform them precisely that they need to stay away from us and out of our lives, right? Okay. People are living, breathing beings that may force us to repeat our wishes several times. We know how that works. All right. Even though places and things are inanimate, in other words, they're not alive, I believe there's a reason they, meaning places and things, are together with people. They are that main deadly triple threat to sobriety. Okay? We'll address that reason in a few minutes. Many of the places that trigger us should not be a surprise. You know, the places we drank, drugged, the secret places we met people to indulge in those substance abuse behaviors, right? Nightclubs, bars, concerts, house parties, which I didn't like going to, and the list goes on. This list can both be different and the same for all of us because of the possible results. When we would end up at one of these places, normally the result was the same, right? We used. Even though I group things with places, things are the largest group. The things that can trigger include eating, boredom, fear, loneliness, sex, money, holidays, drinking or drugging paraphernalia, and many others. As I mentioned in Part 1, your people, places, and things lists should be adjusted as you learn to cope with each item on them. Earlier I made the statement that there are reasons why people, places, and things are grouped together. They're siblings. First, of course, is they're all triggers. Okay? Second is they require the same process to escape from as it did for us to fall into their trap. Habits. Triggers are created by our using habits, and they require the same process to break free of their grasp. Huh? Yeah. But this time, instead of habits, we must use discipline. To be exact, self-discipline, the ability to control oneself. When we find ourselves in a negative life situation, most of the time it is because we made one or more undisciplined decisions. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes things happen to us that we have no control over, okay? But drinking and drugging is entirely up to us. Surprised at what I'm saying? Huh? So, other people make us use? No, just us. It's that simple. Okay, understand this. The one thing that I learned from the multiple trips in and out of the substance abuse treatment centers that I went to, the one thing that I learned is we have to change, period. Our behavior, whether it's positive or negative, always has consequences, right? The continued involving ourselves with those people, places, and things is nothing less than negative behavior. And the result, of course, eventually will be negative consequences. Okay, once we have seriously decided to stop using and our bodies are clean of the substances, no matter what anyone says or thinks, sobriety is from the neck up. We are the ones that make the decision whether or not to avoid those people, places, and things. I can promise you this: discipline and time can equal a happy, substance-free life. If myself and others can do it, so can you. The longer you stay away from those people, places, and things, the more you will learn self-discipline. Then, by constantly being involved in positive behaviors and situations, sobriety will become a wonderful lifetime gift. Okay? If you like the content on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you'll be notified of the next episode. And post any questions or suggestions that will let us know what you'd like for us to talk about. Thank you for joining us. My name is Wade Davis. Hope to see you next time. Take care.